Alver Valley Garden Centre we would describe as a destination garden centre. So it is a large garden centre that, as well as selling gardening products, has a lot of leisure and general interest merchandise and products for sale, as well as partner businesses on site who work with us as tenants, and catering, which is a very important part of a modern garden centre.
Our food perspective is all homemade, basically. Everything, fresh ingredients, local where we can, hearty meals that everyone can come and enjoy.
We've known about HCE for many years. They've worked with us on several other projects in the past. We've always been happy with the results of what we did when we collaborated with HCE. The design process for Alver Valley Garden Centre was to build on what we'd done at our other garden centres, but always with a view that for this new greenfield site, it needed to be more innovative and have new features that were going to make it stand out from the run-of-the-mill business.
When you first arrive, you've got your cakes, which is a huge importance to us. People want coffee, so they'll grab a cake, which is excellent. And then you've got your sandwich fridge with your paninis as well. Then it goes on to your salads, and then you've got your hot meals. And then finally, at the till, you order your hot drinks, which you've got your coffees.
The key elements of the kitchen area itself were, first of all, to make sure that we had capacity for everything. One thing we learned on other sites that we've done for your local garden centre was the need to make sure that there was sufficient storage for frozen food, chilled food, and also dry storage. The other areas that were key were to make sure that there was a minimum of cross-trafficking between operations in the kitchen area, so that from preparation to cooking and cooking to serve was done smoothly. Here we are in the main kitchen area, which is the heart of the operation. We have twin Condotherm combi ovens, induction cooking, grilling, microwaving, and sandwich preparation, along with the main centre preparation island in the middle, accessible from both sides.
We want to be green in our energy use, as well as the importance of saving the cost of energy. So we have a fully electric kitchen with many features that allow it to be energy saving. And we also, linked with that, we generate over 1 megawatt of electricity from solar panels on the roof of the building. So in effect, energy use on the building in the kitchen is zero.
Here we are in the pot wash area. This is a fundamental operation, crucial to the business. Trolleys are brought through, sorted here, double sorting, glassware on the top, rolled it through into the rack dishwashing machine, which has a heat recovery unit built in, which enables the wasted steam to be reused and heat the incoming water, reducing on the kilowatt loading of the machine. Racks are automatically transported through the machine, and we can achieve 8 racks out of the machine. And at the point at which there's enough racks, there's a table end switch to stop the operation until those are cleared. Back onto the trays and trolleys, back into the servery area. Here we are in the main servery area, which of course is the important part of the operation. We have various free flow counters, grab and go for sandwiches and takeaways. Main food operation, a homemade cooked offering, along with a separate counter which offers you drinks, freshly made ice cream, and beverages right at the far end. The till section's separate, taken away from the main servery, so that when the customers go through, they're taken away from the counter and can collect their cutlery separately as well, thus relieving the length of the queue.
HCE's knowledge was invaluable throughout the design process and delivery, because they were very collaborative in the way that they worked. They listened very much to what we as a client wanted.
It's so satisfying to see the end product. From a plan, a piece of paper, the client's input based on the physical experience on site, our input, everybody working together.
Our relationship with HCE overall is an ongoing relationship, as well as having been responsible for the design and installation of the kitchen. They are now taking on the role of maintaining the kitchen in the future, and it's useful for us to have one point of contact where we can go to if we've got any issues with our catering equipment.
We're very proud of what we've achieved. I think the client's very happy, which of course is the most important thing. And crucially, customers like it too.